The Chevy Malibu Shift to Park message is caused by a failing micro switch inside the shifter assembly, but you can fix it permanently by installing a new switch and jumper harness instead of replacing the entire shifter. This frustrating error keeps your car awake, draining the battery and leaving you unable to lock the doors. Dealerships often quote hundreds of dollars to replace the entire shifter unit. General Motors eventually released an updated jumper harness and micro switch designed to bypass the faulty internal contacts, making this a simple plug-and-play repair you can handle in your driveway. Start by using a plastic trim tool to pry up the shifter boot and the silver trim ring surrounding the center console. Work your way around the edges carefully to release the retention clips without snapping the plastic. Lift the console trim up and out of the way to expose the shifter mechanism beneath. Look at the front left side of the shifter assembly base to locate the small black micro switch. Disconnect the factory wiring harness connected to this switch. If your switch is held in by a metal clip, slide the clip off and pull the old switch out. Snap the new micro switch into place and secure it with the retaining clip. Connect the new jumper harness between the new switch and the factory wiring. This jumper harness regulates the voltage to prevent the switch contacts from burning out again in the future. Turn the vehicle on and shift through the gears, finally returning to park. The dashboard will register the park position immediately, and the engine will shut off completely. Reinstall your center console trim by snapping it firmly back into place.